Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin inside the TikTok app, unlock the account you want to edit, and go straight to Settings and Privacy. Once done, make sure you're on the correct profile. This prevents accidental changes to another account. Tap the three dots or gear icon to open options. You need access to privacy and safety next. You're starting action now, so skip General Setup. This step locates the controls that govern who sees the View Profile button and other profile interactions. Now, navigate to Privacy and find the Profile Views or Profile Visibility section. Names vary by release, so scan nearby items. You'll toggle off features like Profile View History or allow profile viewing to effectively remove the view profile affordance. Make sure to also review followers, messages, and comment visibility because they interact with profile discovery. Once you switch those off, TikTok will limit who can view and who sees the View Profile prompt. This reduces. Finally, save your changes and verify immediately. Sign out and sign back in, then inspect your profile from another account if possible. Ask a friend to check whether the View Profile option still appears. This confirms the setting took effect. If it didn't work, update TikTok or clear the app cache and repeat the toggles, because feature names and locations change between versions. If problems persist, temporarily switch to a private account as a fallback while you wait for an app update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.